This is how we create Google Ads just from the prior videos that we've made about this specific campaign that we're building. Um, you can watch the other videos on our channel to see how we got to this point through our keyword research and how we came to this specific ad group. What I find most important when creating Google Ads is obviously you want to, in some way, shape, or form, include the highest traffic keyword within that specific ad group in the ad, preferably in headline one, which is right here. So in this case, what I usually like in my Google Ads is you want spice, right? You don't just want it to be clear text. So you want to use numbers, question marks, quotation marks, apostrophes, brackets, any chance you get. Dollar signs really help in spicing up your ads. So very important to get strategic with the characters that you use in your ads. So you can see here, I have this is our Mesa bankruptcy lawyer ad group, which includes the keywords Mesa bankruptcy lawyer and Mesa bankruptcy attorney. So we have that in the headline of our ad. Now, actually, as I'm thinking of it, I'm going to throw a comma here because it gives it a little bit more spice. Okay. AZ are two capital letters, apostrophe S. I love that because it gives, again, it's a contrast to just lowercase letters. You always want to capitalize the first letter. That's like just a given of each word. And then bankruptcy lawyers, our highest traffic keyword. And then down here, I included bankruptcy attorney so that we get a decent quality score for the bankruptcy attorney keywords that we're bidding on within this ad. So the next one is the call to action, 100% free consultations. Now, one thing I may toy with here is 100% free debt consultations. The reason why is because I didn't add it is because on mobile it kind of makes it look weird. So our call to action on the landing page is 100% free debt consultations, but I may go back and change that. But what do I like about this line is 100%. Okay, there's a percentage sign, there's numbers. Okay, so this is going to stand out when compared to other ads. And then this is just a creative USP line. So your fresh start equals another interesting character, one, not ONE, one number, call away. So all this is strategically thought through when you're creating Google ads, right? You need to think through how is someone who's never seen your ad before going to react, like in animal terms, when they see your ad, and having those little characters is very important. Then for this section, this is the slash display path. This does not need to be the actual URL that you're sending the traffic to, but you can put anything here. You could do something like free consultation. Let's keep it like that, just since that's our call to action. So I love putting call to actions here. And then in description line 1 and 2, what I like to do is I like to use description line 1 as somewhat of a call to action with a question so that it re-engages people who didn't see enough in that initial headline. So, is bankruptcy right for you? Call now to speak with an experienced Arizona bankruptcy attorney. Okay, we're using the word attorney and the word lawyer in this ad. And then I used the main pain points for description line 2 and benefits. Stop foreclosure, repossession, and wage garnishment. Those are the 3 things that people are fearful that's going to happen, is they're going to be foreclosed on, their car's going to be repossessed, or their wages are going to be taken away from them to pay back their debt. So we're going to hit with those 3 first, and then we're going to go remove your debt, because that removal will remove these other 3 symptoms of foreclosure, repossession, wage garnishment, and keep your home and car. So we have three action words here, right? We have stop foreclosure, right? We have remove your debt. We have keep your home and car. Very different than like making these wishy-washy statements that people don't feel confidence from. I'd rather use confident statements with action words. Stop foreclosure, remove your debt, keep your home and car. Very clear cut ad. Let's see what it looks like on desktop. Yeah, I just feel like this little white space doesn't make me feel too good. Let's see what it looks like. I'm going to keep it just 100% free consultation because I know mobile traffic is going to be the breadwinner here. But I may go back and split test and actually end up creating a mobile only ad and a desktop separate ad. So generally speaking, that is how we go about creating ads. We have an entire sheet actually on, we actually have standard operating procedures on how we create ads. This is a whole sheet that we have on all the principles that we follow when creating a Google ad. So if you're interested in having us send this to you, this is going to be another big one, how to create your ad extensions. That'll be in the next section of the video. Huge. This is where you put those punchy benefits in a more detailed way. So you'll see that coming up next. But if you've seen enough and you really want to start doing this on your own, I will send this to you for free. Just go to smbteam.com. That's smallmediumbusinessteam.com. That's our business. Submit your information. Let me know that you want me to send this to you, and we'll send it to you, and you can use it on your campaigns immediately. There's a lot of research in this, and a lot of pain and trial and error. So I hope this section was valuable to you. And again, reach out if you want us to send this to you. Thanks.